Welcome back students. How are you all? Today we are going to continue the lesson decimals. The next topic is rounding decimals. Some rules are there to round a decimal. How to round decimals? The rules for rounding decimals are the same as the rules for whole numbers. Step 1 is decide on the place the number is to be rounded to. The next step is look at the first digit to the right of that place. The third step is if the digit is equal to or more than 5, round up. Step 4, if the digit is less than 5, round down. Step 5, we may drop the zeros.
Round decimals to the nearest whole number. When we round to the nearest whole number, first we look at the decimal place number. If the decimal place number is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we just throw all the decimal digits away. If the decimal place number is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we throw all the decimal digits away and we increase the units by 1. Look at the examples. 23.7. The decimal place number or the 10th place number is 7. It is more than 5. So we throw all the decimal digits away and we increase the units by 1. Here the unit is 3. 3 increase by 1. It will come 4. So 23.7 rounded nearest to 24. 8.94. 9 is in the 10th place number. 9, it is more than 5. So we can increase the units by 1. So 8.94 rounded nearest to 9. 53.6. 6 is in the 10th place number. 6 is more than 5. So we can round that number to the nearest whole number 54. 3.52. 5 is in the 10th place number. 3.52 rounded nearest to 4 because we increase the units by 1. 1.762. 7 is in the 10th place number. 7 is more than 5. So we can increase 1 by 1. So the number rounded to the nearest whole number is 2. 20.32. 3 is in the 10th place number. 3 we know 3 is less than 5. So we just throw all the decimal digits away. We can write what is the whole number. We can write the same whole number. So 20.32 rounded to the nearest whole number is 20. 5.8757. 8 is in the 10th place number. 8 is more than 5. So we can increase the units by 1. The number nearest to 6. 40.071. 0 is in the 10th place number. 0 is always less than 5. So we can write the same whole number 40. So the number nearest to 40.
I will show you some more examples. Round 74.862 to the nearest whole number. How to find the nearest whole number? The digit at the ones place is 4. The digits to the right of 4 is 8. But we know 8 is greater than 5. Since 8 greater than 5, we round up the numbers. So 74.862 rounded to the nearest whole number is 75. Another examples. Round 74.862 to the nearest tenth. In this case, we are going to round the number to the nearest tenth. The digit at the 10th place is 8. The digit to the right of 8 is 6. But we know 6 is always greater than 5. So the number we round up. 74.862 rounded to the nearest tenth is 74.9.
Another example, round 74.826 to the nearest tenth. Round 74.826. The digit at the 10th place number is 8. Here we want to find out the nearest tenth. But the right side of 8 is 2. But we know 2 is less than 5. so we can round down. So 74.826 rounded to the nearest tenth is 74.8. Look at the next question. Write the numbers in the correct section of the Venn diagram based on the number they would round to. The Venn diagram is given and the numbers also given: 4.54, 4.88, 4.49, 4.5, 4.21, 4.63, 4.46, 4.95, 4.09, 4.52, 4.73, 4.78. In the Venn diagram, the left side column is rounds to 4.5 to the nearest tenth. In the right side column rounds to 5 to the nearest whole number. In the numbers, which of them are rounds to 4.5 to the nearest tenth? Look at the numbers. The numbers 4.49 and 4.46 only rounds to nearest tenth 4.5. But the numbers round to nearest whole number to 5 is 4.88, 4.58, 4.63, 4.73, 4.95. But some numbers right in the middle, like 4.5, 4.54, 4.52. These three numbers when we round to the nearest tenth is 4.5 and round to the nearest whole number is 5. So we can write in the middle place, and two numbers right outside, because these two numbers it is not rounded to the nearest tenth is 4.5, it is not rounded to the nearest whole number is 5. So we can write in the outside of the Venn diagram.